consultant at IBM India. Recently, I got a chance to take a session of the IMT students, and I was surprised to know how well IMT faculty they prepare their students for their future endeavors. The questions which these students ask that clearly indicate how good amount of time that has been put up by IMT behind each and every student. So students they had the clear vision of what all the actions they need to take for the brighter future. At IMT, I see the faculty continuously aspires the students to work on their intellectual and personal growth both, and they took the various sessions on it so that the students can be the brand ambassador of IIMT and their families. They have made each and every student so perfectionist in their subject matter that they always stands out. I wish IIMT to continue this good work and bring out the good from their students, and best wishes to all the students who are passing out from the IIMT.